Hi everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. And you guys already know, I'm Chef Connie. So today we're going to make a delicious blackened fish. I'm going to use Swai Fish. I kind of like that one because it's juicy inside. Some fishes, they dry out, but this is a really good white fish that does well for the recipe that I'm going to use, but you can use any type of fish that you choose. It's a white fish. Anyway, I'm so excited. Oh, look at me. I'm not even ready. So, hey, let me put my apron on. I don't want to mess up this cute little outfit. All right, so here we are. Oh yeah, that's me on the front. Hey. So anyway, we're gonna do a blackened fish, and I'm very excited because we're gonna add a delicious vegetable to this fish. And the delicious vegetable is going into the oven. I'm gonna use green beans today. So easy. If you're lazy, these vegetables are gonna be delicious, but you still gotta cook the fish. So anyway, let's dive right into this video and create this deliciousness. Hi everyone, so I'm back with our green beans. This is the first thing we're gonna start with. And I've already cleaned these. Some of the green beans come with these on top, these little pieces. I just cut them off. All my green beans have been washed, so they are ready. And let's see, and that one's ready. Okay, so all of the green beans are washed and they are ready. Now my next step is I'm going to dump the green beans in this big bowl. Okay, I like this size because it gives me room to mix them around. And next thing I'm going to do is pour in some olive oil. Probably up to like 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then stir this around just to make sure all my green beans have olive oil. And then sprinkle them with a seasoning of my choice or of your choice. Okay, and then spread them around, and now all of my green beans are covered. And I'll show them to you after I put them on our foil. So what I did was I cut the foil so we can fold it over. What I'm going to do is put all my green beans on this foil. And yes, this is a foil pad. So, and then I'll take my spatula, go ahead and scoop out all the rest of the oil and the seasoning, put it on top of these beans. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal my foil. Fold it over again, and the same thing here. Fold it over again, and then fold it over and fold it over again. And you can even fold it over one more time if you have enough room. So we're gonna seal this in. You don't have to put any water or anything into this packet because the moisture from the beans is going to steam this in the oven. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, so now that we have our green beans in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and grab the fish, pieces of Swai fish that I'm going to go ahead and season. You can use different seasonings of your choice. I have pink salt here, so I'm gonna use my pink salt. season all my fish, both sides, with the pink salt. I will put the ingredients, and then I have garlic powder. So I didn't bother to take the garlic powder out of the shaker because I just wanted, anyway, there we go. And then I have my paprika. And then my black pepper. And like I said, you could use the seasonings of your choice. You can use a Creole seasoning. It's up to you. Other seasonings of choice. And then I'm going to season the other side. Okay, everyone, the fish is ready. I have seasoned both sides, front and back. So we're gonna go over to the stove, and it's time to make some delicious blackened fish. Okay, we are at the stove, and I am ready to turn the fire on to a medium-high heat. There we go, medium-high. And I'm going to add, I like butter on my fish too. So I do like to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter along with my olive oil. So what I'm going to do is, there we go. Now we're going to mix and let the olive oil and butter mix together. I think I'll put a little bit more olive oil in there, and then get ready. Get the pan nice and hot and get ready for our fish. After the butter melts, and our butter is melting, okay, now it's time to go ahead and do that and put our fish in here. These pieces are so big, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just cook 2 pieces at a time. Let me see, maybe I can get 1 more small piece on the side. There we go. And make sure I have some oil underneath this. And there we go. You can actually flip this, that way it's already oily on both sides. We don't have to worry about the oil, but then we're gonna cook it until it's blackened on each side. And that takes about maybe 6 minutes. I'm gonna turn the fire up just a little bit. But we're gonna let this fish get nice and dark and crispy on each side. So you're gonna let it cook. Don't put a top on it, and just cook it just like this. Okay, it has been 5 minutes, and now the fish is ready to turn over. Let's see. Oh wow, that's nice. That looks good. Oh, look at that. And there is a crust on it. Okay. So we let this cook for another about 3 minutes, maybe 4. Okay, everyone, I'm going to turn off the fire. Our fish is ready. Let me take out. Look at that. Absolutely delicious looking So all of our fish is ready. Let's go ahead and put everything on this plate. And after this, and I'm waiting on our green beans, still have 5 minutes to come out of the oven, and then we will go and do our deliciousness test. Okay, everyone, we are back, and this came out delicious. This is our fish, the swamp fish. It came out delicious. It's got crunchy sides, a lot of flavor. This is our blackened fish, delicious. And then I just took these green beans out of the oven. I want to be very careful when I open them. I'm probably going to go ahead and open them down the middle. You can see the steam. And there we have it. So I'll take some of the green beans, okay, and put them with plate them with the fish. That looks pretty good. And also, if you are, the green beans, the fish, and of course you guys know that one of the big things that I talk about is health and fitness, because I am a health and fitness coach. So here we go. Green beans, I have some fresh sliced cucumbers, no dressing, and then our delicious blackened fish. So I am ready to do the deliciousness test. Oh, amazing. Absolutely deliciousness. Just yummy, yummy. And like I always say, hey, losing weight or getting healthy and eating healthy does not have to be hard, and it doesn't have to be bland or plain. It can be delicious. Let me try this green bean. You can let these cook a little longer if you want them softer. Otherwise, they're soft. They not super soft. They still have a nice crunch to them with a delicious flavor. All these flavors have soaked in the packet. You didn't have to add any water. And let me see if I can do a close-up where there's actually liquid in here from the green beans, where they have created their own liquid and without water, and you just put the seasonings on top with the olive oil, and there you have it, folks. A delicious meal full of amazing flavor and everything. So thanks for watching. Share this with your family. Hey, the kids will love this. You will love it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again in my next video where I bring you some more deliciousness. Bye for now.